Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to self-assessment account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in selfassessment.apwa.net and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area for APWA self-assessment. Go ahead and enter your email address that is associated with the account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. After filling in your email and password, click on the Secure Sign-In button to log into your self-assessment account right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.